Okay, this is how to write results in APA format for regression. So this is where I left off in my Excel video for regressions. We had determined that our Y variable is first year college GPA, X is our high school GPA. I've done my regression with the data analysis pack. So now I need to write the results in APA format. Okay, the first thing I need to figure out is my statistical shorthand. So in our class, I have our section that has my lecture videos. So the APA format column is here. Here's our statistical shorthand. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it right here where we can see it. So what I want to do is I want to fill in my information with the material that I got in my regression analysis. Okay, and this one's actually already done because it is from this video. So F is our ANOVA because we're looking at the future. The 1 and 8 is our degrees of freedom, that is right here. The 7.01 is my F value, and then my P value is significance is less than 0.05. Okay. Once I have my statistical shorthand written, again, this is in our class, you can scroll down and see if you have a significant result or a not significant result. I have a significant result, so I'm going to copy this one. And I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to adjust this a little bit so we can see this. Okay. Now there's quite a bit happening here, so I'm going to go really slow through this, okay? So we said a simple linear regression was calculated predicting subjects' weight based on their height. So I'm going to change that to what variables we included. Predicting, what did I predict? First year college GPA based on high school GPA, okay? So that's the first sentence. Okay, second sentence, what did I do? A significant regression equation was found. Okay, here's your statistical shorthand. You need to put the statistical shorthand in here. So copy it from here, put it in here. With an R squared of, there's my R squared, 0.47. Okay? So that's the second sentence. So far I've got a simple linear regression was calculated predicting first year college GPA based on high school GPA. I've said what my variables are and what I am predicting. The second sentence says what, if your regression equation was significant, and then your statistical shorthand plus your R squared, okay, which we got from here. Now the last sentence, this one is the most difficult. Because what you are doing, you are going to actually write out our regression line equation in sentence, in words, in a narrative format, okay? So as a review, my regression line equation, if you heard it from math class, it's y equals mx plus b, but in this class, that's not what we're working with. With this class, we're working with bx plus a. Remember where b is the slope, whoops, and a is the intercept. Okay, both the slope and the intercept we get from our Excel, we get from right here. Okay, so if I'm going to build this equation, I'm going to say y, zoom in just a little bit if I can. So y with apostrophe to signify that I am doing some kind of prediction. B is the slope. Okay, this is your slope. So this is your check on 1, the direction of the correlation, and 2, if you've done this correctly. Your x variable will always be listed here. So if you've done this correctly, this should be your x. So my x for my slope is 0.7. And I'm literally just going to put an x here plus intercept. Where's the intercept? It's right there, plus 0.72. Okay. Why did I put an X in this equation? I put an X in that equation as a placeholder to indicate my X variable, which is high school GPA, okay? So this last sentence, see if I can get this to fit just a little bit. I can't. All right, we'll try it this way. My last sentence, subjects predicted, what did I predict? College GPA is equal to, and then I'm going to delete literally all of this and start over. Okay, so subjects predicted college GPA is equal to what? I'm going to highlight and make this into narrative. Okay, is equal to 0.7 times high school GPA plus 0.72. The last sentence has to be a very specific prediction model, okay? So I'll say subjects college GPA increases by 0.7 for every increase in high school GPA. Okay, how do I know that? I said 0.7 because that is my slope, but I also know it's an increase because the slope is positive. If this number is a negative, if your slope is a negative, it means it's going to decrease, okay? So those three sentences are how you write this in APA format for regression. Once you have that done, you are finished with APA format, okay? If you have a not significant equation, you do not need this third sentence, okay? If you have a not significant equation, you don't need that third sentence. You'll simply state the regression equation was not significant, and then you'll state that you cannot predict y from x, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know.